Yeah. You too. We're talking.
See ya. Bye.
Okay, guys. We love you. Okay, bye.
Sweep 90, white sweep Toyota, gray sweep Jeep, and sweep 98 green light on course.
Rock side.
Copy car 70 at finish.
How far is the jump in?
1.5. We're already a third of the way there. I won't be going that fast over there.
Are you going that fast?
As fast as that. As fast as that jump right there. I'm not gonna pull a Conrad.
Rocks.
Rocks.
Rocks. Rocks. Big rocks.
Jump.
Copy car 532 at finish. And 98 green light at 0.5.
Rock.
Be aware, rock bar 244 is going to try and finish.
Jump.
Probably around the speed. Okay, 76. Car 397 at finish.
Copy car 397 at finish. Start also copy the car 244 and we will try to continue at current valley speed.
Okay. Alright.
That's true, and just past that jump.
244 is mobile, coming around the apex. Canada 7 USA. Rock. Rock.
SA1 and SA10 are on course. Folks, make sure and give these guys lots of love, lots of waves, lots of attention. SA5 on course.
Yeah, rough side.
Woohoo!
SA4 on course. Hey, gentlemen, we still got a hot stage out of traffic in the running cars. Give you some peace. It's finished. That's 98 green light at 2.0. Green light past the queue. Yeah, 7
S90 slowing down because of competitor dust.
I'm wondering why now they like decided, you know, like
Just so they don't jump out and
yeah, I guess like in between,
stop.
yeah.
There's less
Yeah.
room here. Sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
There's so many spots on this.
Super ambassadors aren't been going. They, about a dozen cars have ran through already.
They're approaching the jump now.
S98 green light, that's 3.0.
Every time I want to get on the...
Yeah.
Copy car 301 at finish.
Car 209 at finish.
This time I
Miss that. We're not buying.
Yeah, left turns, my rear end hits that low banner tape.
Oh, yeah. When's the last time you had your alignment checked?
Oh, the alignment broke on Dallas Mountain last night. I had my alignment done after Olympus last year. I live right around the corner from the CAC site.
Got it.
So they do
Okay,
it all.
so they do it all.
Yeah.
Copy car 369 at finish.
Let's see, the first time I paid full price, the second time half price, third time
Wow.
free.
They gave you for free?
Yeah,
Nice.
we got you this time.
Well,
That guy.
how
It had
many
only
is
been like a month.
it? In between all three of them?
No.